Now this is uh, GSC first class third C. Subject is GSC and date 8/10/2020. On we are studying the lesson 10. Sorry, lesson 11, light and sound. Lesson 11, light and sound. We are studying light and sound, and here today we are going to solve the worksheet 11. We are solving worksheet worksheet 11. Worksheet 11. So we have completed the fill in the blanks and take the right answer. Today we are going to solve C. Answer the following. C. Answer the following. Answer the following. And the answer the following, we are going to solve first question. The question is, what will happen if there is no light? If there is no light. So first answer, in absence of light, we will able to see nothing. In absence of light, we will be able to. We will be. In absence of light, we will not be able to see anything. In absence of light, we will not be able to see anything. It means we will see nothing. In absence of light, we will not be able to see anything. Now next, second question. What are luminous objects? Give two examples. What are luminous objects? Give two examples. So first we have to write about the luminous objects. So the objects that give us light the objects that give out light of their own, the objects that give out light of their own are called luminous objects, are called luminous objects. After that, give two examples. Examples. We have to write the examples. Examples. One is sun, and other is glowing bulb. Glowing bulb, etc. These are two examples of luminous objects. These are the two examples of luminous objects. So you are familiar to the lighted candle and a glowing bulb, sun, and also the glow worms and the firefly. These are few examples of the luminous objects. Star is also the luminous object, but our earth is a non-luminous object. Moon, it shines, it is luminous object. No, it is not a luminous object because it shines by the reflection of light coming from the sun. So moon is a non-luminous object. So next question we have to write. Third question. What are non-luminous objects? Give two examples. What are non-luminous objects? Give two examples. We have to write the what are non-luminous objects. Third. Objects the objects that do not give out light, objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects, are called non-luminous objects. Are called non-luminous objects. So objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. Now we have to write some examples. Examples, two examples we have to write on the stone. book, etc. These are a few examples of non-luminous objects. So that's for today. Thank you.